Hello children, I hope you are all good and are excited for today's class. Today we will be discussing about formal letters. Okay, written to school principals, class teachers, newspaper editors, etc. Okay, formal letters are written when we need to complain or express dissatisfaction. When you are not happy with something, you write a formal letter. To ask for permission, if you want to take permission, you will write a formal letter. To appeal about something. Okay, now the format. Okay, how you will write the letter, what will be the format that you will follow. First will be, formal letter will have the sender's address at the top. Now who is the sender? The person who is writing the letter. Okay, then it will be followed by the principal, the name of your school, and then it will be followed by date. Okay, then comes the subject. Subject will be the reason why you were writing the letter. Okay, and it should be written in short. Alright, next, now you will write the greeting, means madam or sir or respected sir or madam. Okay, now you will write the body of the letter. The body of the letter is all that you want to write about. Okay, then you must divide the body into paragraphs. One paragraph containing only one main point and its discussion. Okay, finally comes the closing. Okay, how we write the closing? Like for example, some examples I am giving, like yours faithfully, yours obediently, yours truly, yours sincerely. You can end it like this. Alright, and also note that there is no apostrophe in yours. Don't use apostrophe in yours. Okay, then at last you will write your name. Okay, now let's look at the sample question which I have written for you. Suppose you are Akash Mehra, staying at 39 Park Street, Kolkata. Write an application to your school librarian informing her that you have lost your library book. Okay, suppose here your name is Akash Mehra and you stay at 39 Park Street, Kolkata. You have to write an application to your school librarian informing her that you have lost your library book. Okay, see, I have written the letter. First, 39 Park Street, Kolkata. Here your address. You have to suppose that your address is this as given in the question. So first address is written, then the librarian, then it is followed by your school name and date. Next the subject, the reason why you are writing the letter, that is information about a lost library book. Okay, next is salutation or the greeting, madam. Then starts the body of the letter. I am a student of standard 4. I am extremely sorry to inform you that I have lost my library book. The name of the book is Learning to Communicate. You can write name of any book here. Okay, and it was issued to me on February 10, 2020. Here also you can write any date when it was issued. Then change the paragraph and write, kindly let me know the cost of the book so that I may deposit the fine. I assure you that it will not be repeated in the future. Then thanking you and the closing, yours sincerely. Then at last, as your name is Akash Mehra here, you will write the name Akash Mehra. Hope you have understood how to write a formal letter. Along with this, an assignment will be given where I have shown few more examples, and a homework is also given for you to do yourself. I'm sure you will be able to do. Thank you for watching.